la 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 la. Hello friends, welcome to my new video finding animals, plastic animals, and please help me for finding animals. So I am finding, wow, wow, beautiful, wow, animals, wow, beautiful animals, wow friends, beautiful animals I have find. Wow, wow, beautiful, wow, squirrel, wow, cow, leopard, sheep, wow, wow, horse and lion, wow, duck, hen, beautiful, wow, squirrel, wow, beautiful, squirrel, wow, and this is camel, wow, beautiful camel, wow, beautiful friends, wow, beautiful, wow, wow, hen. Wow, amazing. Wow, 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 friends. Beautiful hen. Wow, beautiful hen. Wow, duck. Wow, beautiful duck. Wow, friends, beautiful duck I have found. Wow, collecting in my pocket. Wow, friends. Wow, wow, duck, beautiful duck. Wow, friends, look at nature, beautiful nature. Wow, and I have found beautiful animals, plastic animals. Wow, friends. Wow, wow, friends, horse, beautiful horse. Wow, amazing. Wow, beautiful horse. Wow, friends. Wow, lion. Wow, beautiful lion. Wow, amazing. Friends, subscribe my channel for more videos. Wow, wow, like my videos, and also I will upload beautiful videos for you. Wow, friends. Wow, amazing. Wow, wow, goat. Wow, goat, beautiful goat. Wow, amazing. Wow, wow, leopard. Wow, beautiful leopard. Wow, friends, look at this beautiful leopard. Wow, beautiful leopard. Wow, wow, look at this, the cow, black and white color cow. Wow, beautiful. Oh ho ho ho. Wow, beautiful colored. Wow, look at this cute cow in this jungle. Wow, amazing. Wow, and last animals. Wow, beautiful sheep. Wow, I have found beautiful sheep and this beautiful nature. Wow, friends, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will upload for you beautiful videos. Please subscribe my channel. Wow, beautiful nature.